I'm going to demonstrate how to access to Google Classroom and an assignment, which is Google Slides. So first you have to open your email. Once you get to your email, you got to go to the waffle. Once you get to the waffle, you go to the Google Classroom. Once that opens, I'm going to choose hour 9. And up top there's some categories, and I'm going to choose classwork since it's an assignment. And the most recent one is right here, week of April 13th. So the new Google slide is a presentation. So here's some are the instructions. It's a minimum of 5 slides. You have to choose a favorite TV show or movie. On the first slide, it's the name of the show or the movie with your name. Slide 2 is the genre, so it could be comedy, reality TV, game show, drama, crime show. The date and the time, or the time it's on, how long it's been on the air. And then slide 3 is characters on the show and the movie, and then names of actors in the show or movie, including the director. Slide 4 is a summary of TV show, so what it's about. Slide 5 is a paragraph telling me why you like it. And it needs to have pictures and 2 video clips. So how you access the slides is you go back to your email, you go back to the waffle, and you're going to click on slides. So it's right here. Click on that. You do a blank. And here's where you're going to have your title, your name on the first slide, and you can click on here and do a new slide, and it has a title, and then you can add here. Okay, hope your project is great. Good luck.